you get that done, go ahead and we are going to go to number 9 and start the assignment together as our next example. So if you want to use the sheet that you have, you can just put your name on the top, put the assignment stuff on here, and you just keep going with this one. Or if you want to get a clean sheet, you can do that as well. But we're going to use number 9, which is the first one, as our first example.
Oh, when there's like 4 lines greater than we have to solve like greater.
We will. Okay, so we have I wrote this backwards. I don't know why they did that. But so that first one, where are our vertical lines at? 2, negative 3. So you see that? You're just like, okay, it's an x. X-intercepts means they're going to be vertical. So at x equals 2 and x equals negative 3, those are your vertical lines. And we're going to be between those two. Straight the path before. That's a confused look, Bethany. Okay. Okay. The next one has a y and an x, so that one should be sloped. It is y by itself. The third one we will have to solve for y. So there's the second one. The third one, to solve for y, we have to do what? Okay. Alpha, you okay?
Yeah.
A lot of people do a positive slope on the negative too. this one, we'll have to divide everything by 4. That'd cancel that off. So you'd end up with y is less than or equal to 2 divided by 4 as a fraction. That'd be 1/2. Yep. So leave it as a fraction so it's easier to graph it. Plus 32 divided by 4, 8. You do not, correct, because you divided by a positive 4. If it was a negative 4, then you would flip it.
1 over 2 be dotted. If it's just greater than
Oh, over at 2. Sure enough. I copied that down wrong from the book, though. There you go. All of these should be equal to 1s. Yeah. Is that box completely empty, Tail? That little white box? They're in there. Yeah, stuff's laying all over there. I'll get it cleaned up next week, maybe. Don't tell your parents that when they ask you to clean your room, though. Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So y-intercept of 8, a slope of positive 1/2. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
C1, so 8 times C1 is what? Holy cow. I can't take it 72. Which one did you use? 8? Did you use the C1 plus? When you
Oh, not necessarily. Not for these. Oh, yeah, I'm not doing it, so. Because this is all we're really interested in here, isn't it?
8. What?
Okay. So once you get it figured out what your bounded region is, what your area is, then you're going to list the vertices, the function, the value, and you're looking for the minimum, and the maximum.
That's 12. Finally, yeah, what was the top one? The 6.5 one?
Yeah, you got one in the middle, looks like.
So what? So maximum of 12. Are you on number 11 already? made me laugh. It's like the only thing that ever made me laugh. That's on my mouth. That I'll not go. No, whatever. I'll stay in place. Bro, Preston plays more than me. That's true. Every single time he's on something, you're off the edge. He plays, he said he plays like hours. Yeah, and he plays for hours when my mom doesn't stop him. Yeah, and she do play for hours when my mom. There's just nothing better to do. I could go outside, but there's nothing to do. You could talk to him. Could. What if you could?
Best idea to boredom I've ever heard, Christian. I like it. You could. I have a hard time believing there's nothing to do at your place. There's always a project you're working on.
Yeah, I guess. That's the work on your side. Are we still not fixing?
Logan,
No.
color code your entire family's workers.
I could. How over to his house?
He goes,
Here.
how are we doing, like, up to this point?
Pretty.
Okay.
Wait, was that you?
So from here, now you're just plugging it into this, fill in this column. So we're going to plug these numbers in and then calculate what they equal.
Wait, what? I'm so confused. It goes off the graph. Eddie, I need a bigger graph. How'd you do that one? Wave.
What number?
Eddie, X would be vertical lines. Huh? X would be vertical lines. I don't know what you did. Wait, what? On number 11, I do that. Right now. I make my graph. I'm shaking right now.
No, it's probably going to be between those horizontal lines. Quadrilateral. There won't be. We have to look at inequalities.
I know,
So,
it's hard to tell because
okay. So what this means is you have to be between these two horizontal lines.
one less, why is that?
So just less than that.
It's just like when you're sitting over there, like almost like the Christian guy. Christian. What? By the way, you should back up 777. How do you see that calorie off? Why? What are you doing to that count?
12 minus 54.
5873. 5873. Why do you say 5873? Because you're so easier for me. Oh my gosh, we got another half.